Unlocking the power of futures trading on Plus500 can be your next strategic financial move, and we're here to show you exactly how. First, let's dive into the essentials. Futures contracts allow you to speculate on the future price of an asset on Plus500. Navigate to the futures section in the instrument list. You'll see a variety of markets available, from commodities like oil and gold to indices such as the S&P 500. Each contract has specific details like an expiry date and a notional value. Crucially, futures trading involves leverage, meaning you control a larger position with a smaller amount of capital. This is where margin comes in. Plus500 clearly displays the required margin for each contract. This is the initial amount you need to deposit to open a leveraged position. Understanding your margin requirement is vital to avoid margin calls. Risk management is paramount before you even open a trade. Set your stop loss and take profit levels. A stop loss automatically closes your position if the market moves against you beyond a certain point. Limiting your potential losses. A take profit automatically closes your position when it reaches a desired profit level. When you choose to trade, you'll decide whether to go long if you anticipate the price to rise, or short if you expect it to fall. Click buy or sell accordingly. You can then specify the quantity you wish to trade. Remember, while leverage amplifies potential profits, it also amplifies potential losses, so always trade with caution and a clear strategy.